In this first lecture, I reviewed how Malthus warned that human population has the tendency to outgrow the carrying capacity of the environment to sustain it. Subsequently, how contemporary versions of limits to grow and planetary boundaries echo warnings that unlimited growth is unsustainable on a finite planet. We questioned to what extent these limits are natural or stem from intentions. We have seen evidence that the abundance of fossil fuels rather than their scarcity poses the first challenge to sustainability. And with respect to biodiversity loss, we have seen that the problem is pervasive in the sense that extinction rates exceed advised planetary boundaries virtually everywhere and increase with GDP per capita. Now that you have received access to the lecture before the class, you may wonder what we will do in class. And to be honest, I'm not entirely sure either. First, I imagine that we will have time for questions, and to increase the chances on valuable answers, I appreciate if you have them before class already, that you can upload them to the discussion board prior to that week's lecture. I also thought it could work out nice to organize class debates, and similarly, your input for these discussions is highly appreciated before class. Good statements for discussion should be brief, formulated positive, and contain no arguments. To give one example of such a statement for discussion, current environmental problems are mostly a human population issue. Or similarly related to today, we need policy to stabilize the size of global population. I have included 3 more informative YouTube clips to inspire discussion during the coming meeting. In the video that features Harrison Ford, he closes his speech encouraging us to kick this monster's ass. But what is, in your opinion, the monster?